How to delete Gmail account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device and make sure that you are signed in to the exact account that you want to delete. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for manage your Google account. So tap on the manage your Google account option you see there, and now in this particular interface scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for data and privacy. So tap on the data and privacy option you see there, and in this particular interface scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for delete your Google account. So tap on the delete your Google account option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, simply you will be required to enter the passcode of your Google account, and once you have entered your passcode, simply tap on the next button you see there and your Gmail account will be deleted successfully. So this was about how you can delete Gmail account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.